Morning, everybody. Right, Sunday morning, bright and early. Time to feed cats. They're fed. Even managed to get a video out of them. They were all the crew of them, all three of them were about. So I managed to knock a bit of a video. I'll put it on later in the day. I'll put this one on first, and then I'll probably put you down because people like to see cats. I know you do, and people even when I've had like open day things, they fetch cat food down, you know. So the big fans of cats. So it'll go on later anyway. But that's that. But right, thanks ever so much for feedback regarding last video because got some good comments, really good comments. I like things like that. You know, I like my bit of a community thing. You know, I love stuff like that, and it really gives me a bit better insight into what I'm thinking because I don't always go on my opinion and I'm right, this, that, and other. I mean, but I get so I'm well on right path. I'm right, but people are putting more and more like bits into the mix that you suddenly realise our criminal problem. I think criminal anyway. It has been with some issues. You know, it's really been like criminal like, and our things have been shut down, and now we're left in the situation we're left. Especially like sometimes when I'm watching on YouTube, and then I see stuff in India, and I see stuff abroad. You know, India, Pakistan, stuff like that. I mean, well, it'll all be that neck of woods, and the manufacturing with our machines doing their stuff. I mean, or whether they've been there for years, I don't know. I don't know that, but you know, but they're in primitive methods, but they're getting by. But I'm sure we could have had a more updated thing, and it'd have saved government money one way or other. But that's another thing anyway. But thanks for all that feedback anyway. But getting back to the video today, I mean. What I'm on about, it's like progression like where I'm going. You know, I'm finishing restores off just these last few around me, and there's like a few bits and pieces in pipeline, but no serious, no like this. I don't even think they're going to come along because I don't think people can afford. I mean, I've even done a little bit of a recommission, very shallow recommission on a Peugeot 205. Lad's been running it round, but it's got a noise on this, got a noise on that, a noise on this. Anyhow, it says, let's get it tested, let's sort it. So I says, let's go through brakes, you know, and a few other bits and pieces. Anyhow, got his brakes done. Had great trouble with back shoes. I think I told you, ended up with half a dozen different. Anyhow, we've got them on now. Look like under 90 brake shoes. They're that thin, 30 mil wide. And honestly, they're minute, you know, and I wonder. I mean, I keep thinking, they're great, these brakes, but now they'll just be as good as they are for car. No doubt they're better on a GTI. Because when I looked in catalogues, they were about 50 mil wide. So they'll do more of a job of pull it back end up. But anyhow, that got done. Went for tests, got it through. A couple of advisors. He said, when brake parts for the next test could probably just do a sorting out. All right, so I tell the kid, and I totted bill up, and come a few quid. I mean, I know he'd had an oil change, he'd had from shoes, front pads, obviously labour involved in it. Then also on top of the suspension links, we had to change bearings. They were seized solid, stuff like that. A few bits and pieces, and but it was a ridiculous bill, I thought. You know, there were about 14 hours of work in it, getting it sorted out. Things were a bit seized up and it's a bit of a struggle to get off, especially on back shoe side. And because handbrake had seized up mechanism. So, and all materials alone were something like 200 odd quid. And it would have never been there once. You'd have never paid that sort of money. You know, that's like just escalate on. So I just thought about that. I thought, well, I don't know if this is an avenue you're going to like have to sneak this in down. I mean, I've got what is it then? I've got a master cylinder Moggy Thou. I mean, this is a Moggy Thou factory manual, you know, and it was handy having that because I could tell him what he needed. You know, I could even send the guy a picture, get a kit for it. But he got his master cylinder stuck down. I mean, a great panic. Oh, it's early car and they're all doing this. So I just said, bring it in, let's have a look. So now I've got it out, took it to bits for him. And he's bringing me a kit, a seal kit down. So we'll put it back together and that'll be sorted out, you know. I mean, little job like that helps out, all helps pay bills. I mean, we're at end of month anyway now, you know, so it's bill time and I'm going to get a few invoices stuck together, see if we've got enough money to get where we need to get. But that's by the by, that's just how businesses are now. That is just exactly how businesses are, you know. So, but then I did a welding job on an exhaust for a guy. I think this is what this place is going to end up. I've got a guy coming, not next week, week after, toying with a MIG, trying to weld, trying to do this, and can I have a bit of time? Can you just teach me how to disappear time? So he's coming down. It's probably like first bit of a tutorial I'm doing to somebody. Just going to get, come down. I said, we've got a few bits to still do on this car. And I said, well, I'll just have an hour with him. That's probably all it'll take, and just show you a few pointers that probably just light years off where that needs to be, you know. So they're all bits that are going to help build. They're going to build channel as well, because channel's got to be a big part of what's going off in my life now because of my age. You know, I've said times many. I've said on that video, I'm not going to have blokes running around. It's impossible. Can't afford to do it. So somehow I've got to. If this wants to stop alive, as long as I'm about and capable of doing it, you know, or somebody might come along and want to take it on. You just never know. You never know where it'll end up. I've got to like try and turn around corners and get me sent to other places. So this is like where we're heading, you know. I mean, it's like this morning. I mean, this morning I got up. Jack obviously came downstairs. I stroked Lauren's cat. She's got a cat. You've never seen that. I'll do something with that cat and all. And it's great big, like, I don't know, wide head thing. It's like an house cat, you know. But that's something else anyway. But he always gets a fuss in him. Always makes a fuss at me. I love animals. My other daughter's, my youngest daughter, her whippets at our house because they've just had a baby, and I think she gets a bit under people's feet. So I've got a whippet at the minute, which I'll take out for a while later. But anyhow, before I goes on my Reliant last night because I'd put a new washer pump on it. And I was showing somebody yesterday how like a washer pump, you just press it in and he was just fascinated. This guy was fascinated that it wasn't like an electric motor. You know, it was so simple. So anyhow, because it were here, so, well, I just went on in it. But anyhow, come on, but old lad up road, Bill, who I look after. And this is what I'm saying about age. This is how just my life seems to evolve. It's just completely like seemed to have changed, gone down a different avenue. And I got him his buggy out yesterday. Before I come to work, I got it out in his shed. He has like one of these scooters. Anyhow, I had his first run out yesterday. We were happy. So I said, do you want me to do it tomorrow? So before I get it car, I used to walk up street, go in. I've got his gate key, open his gate, go in, get open his shed, pull his buggy out, leave it at his back door, lift his armrest up so he can get straight, so he can have a run round, so he's getting a bit of independence. It's just, you know, just my bit of helping somebody. That's top and bottom of it. So then I comes in, fires the light up, zooms down here, and here I am, do it video over here. But what I'm saying, and what I'm trying to put over like is like, it's just, well, it's different world. It's just, as you're getting older, as I've like, see, it seems to all change around 60. You know, I'm like, you've got your ideas before 60 are different to your ideas after 60. It's like with videos I'm putting on, I'd been here, oh, I'm a restoration channel, oh, I've got to show you this, well, it's all eventually getting done. It's all in pot, it's all in mix, but it's not going as you'd have probably planned it before 60 because it's just so, like I did video, like I say about you for today, why would I do a video about that? Why should it? But it bothers me because situation I'm in, and you look at in situation and it's completely different. So, but that's more or less video, you know. I mean, and I mean another thing when I'm doing videos as well, when people say, "Oh, is he English?" You know, they're like, because of my Yorkshire accent, you know. I suppose I'm a front planetary thump or something. They must think, you know, it must be something stupid like that, you know, but. What I'm trying to do with this channel is what is evolving its sen. I've got a few ideas in my head, and I'm putting them over to you, and that's what's happening. So you're seeing work done on restoration. You're seeing other alteration work done. You know, you're seeing a lot of variation of work done, but it's like self-evolving. And I mean, end of the day, it's got quite a few hits now, its channel, you know, and we're getting there, and I can see momentum picking up in channel. But we hadn't rushed down a road and said, oh, we're just going to test cars. Oh, we're going to show everybody. Because what will happen is, it will be there. So, I mean, you obviously can't get an index thing at it, but I'm sure if I've done, I don't know, like I've showed you that condenser that time, well, I'm sure if you put a condenser test now on internet, I'm sure that put it in, I might pop up as a video, you know, but that's where we're at. I mean, I'm here on a Sunday morning, first thing, I'm telling you, I'm going to probably pop a video on later with cats. I'm telling you, I've had to move a neighbour's mobility buggy thing up about, you know, I'm telling you tales about what I've done like last week, and I'm thinking, well, that don't seem a right good avenue because everything's expensive, but that's down to cost of living factor, you see. Being a restoration YouTube channel, which is that what I am, or am I just a wiser, like older guy who restores cars, who just tags you along in my life, you know? So that's about it anyway. So I'm not going to say much more. I'm going to leave you to watch video, you know, and I'm just saying, it's end of another month and we're evolving, we're going further and further and further down a road that I think we've come away from. So I think when I started this channel, I was showing you bits and pieces, but it's more or less, I don't know, it's becoming, well, to me, it seems like a bit like a life story, and you're following me along with it, but I think it's pretty interesting what I do in my life, you know, even down to having an haircut, stuff like that, for me it is anyway. So stick around anyway, give us a like, subscribe, you want to see more stuff like this, you know, and pass a comment, eh? And I'll see you tomorrow. And I don't know what'll happen. I might have a tale for you tomorrow or whatever. But I'll pop in a video on later with cats, for them all like cats. Thanks for watching. Cheers.